Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit a blog post URL in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and to edit a blog post URL, just go to blog. As you can see, these are all of my current blog posts. And to change this blog post URL, for example, just click on these little three dots. Then go to post URL. As you can see, this is the current one, and to edit it, just fill in your new one, new URL, and click on save. And don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to edit your blog post URL in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.